In today's video, we are showcasing a single-shaft shredder processing two common plastic waste materials: hard plastic lumps, also known as purgings, and soft plastic film. First, we begin with the plastic lumps. These solid blocks are typically generated during plastic extrusion or injection molding processes. Here you can see the output material, uniformly sized plastic flakes, ready for washing, regranulation, or further processing. Now we move on to the second material, plastic film. Film waste presents a different challenge. It is lightweight, flexible, and prone to wrapping around shafts in conventional machines. A single-shaft shredder with a pusher system ensures continuous feeding and prevents bridging inside the hopper. The single-shaft shredder is suitable to shred plastic products. From dense plastic lumps to light plastic film, the machine delivers reliable size reduction for a wide range of recycling applications. If you are processing plastic waste and need a durable, efficient solution, this type of shredder can serve as the primary step in your recycling line. Thank you for watching.